Time to fix this exhaust pipe. I don't like how the pipes are routed, so I'm running them a little different to make it look a little cleaner than how it's currently routed. I have two 90s, two straights, and a white pipe to make all this possible. So here we go. We are out with the old. As you can see. So here we are doing a little test fitting. We're starting to put it all together. And if you're wondering, I used a bend saw to cut all my pipes. Just in case you guys are wondering, I am not a professional at this. I'm not a professional welder. I'm not a professional fabricator. I'm just a guy who likes to do stuff myself. I just started to teach myself how to weld. So I thought this was a good opportunity to put what I've taught myself to work. As an owner-operator, it's a good idea to learn how to do a lot of stuff yourself on your truck just to be profitable and save some money. So here's the end result. Let me know what you guys think in the comment for an average Joe.